a property in Lekki Phase 1 for the price of 100 million naira with projections that such property or that same property would sell for the price of 150 million naira to 200 million naira within the space of 6 to 12 months. Would you go for that property or would you say no to it, especially if you have the money? Now, right here, I have that same offer for you. This right here is Bolton Height Estate located in Lekki Phase 1, selling currently at off plan. And you know the gist, when you buy a property at off plan, you buy it about 10 to 30% below the market value. Now, Bolton Height Estate is located at Lekki Phase 1 and shares very close proximity with the major developments around this axis. A few to mention is the Kingfisher, Urban Supermarket, Admiralty Way, and lots more developments around Lekki Phase 1 axis.
Prior to determining the depths that we are going, we did an investigation, and there is a recommendation for 12 meters into the ground.
This is one that is coming with a C of O title, so security, it is checked, has a building plan, has everything that would secure your property from experiencing demolition. Now, this is one you want to key into. This is one you want to consider taking ownership of, because of course it promises you high return on investment, gives you security, gives you the luxury lifestyle. Now, Bolton Height Estate comes with an elevator, a kids playground. It's going to also feature a car charging port, a rooftop, a swimming pool. I mean, everything that gives the luxury lifestyle that you want right here in Lekki Phase 1. And secure with an initial deposit of 20 million naira. And then we have a payment plan for you, 6 months, even up to 12 month payment plan. So you can reach out to me right now via the number on your screen and let's get started.